The order of operations. So what is an operation? Before we get started on that, I want you to pause. Do you see this little cat in the corner? Whenever you see him, that means you need to pause the video and go to your notes. Right now, I want you to look at the description of this video. In the description, there's a graphic organizer. Open up that graphic organizer and make a copy. You're going to be making notes in it while we go through this video. So what are operations? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So the first thing you do in the order of operations is solve everything that's inside a parentheses. These curves here and here are called parentheses. Next, you need to multiply through the exponents. Remember, when we have an exponent, it's telling you how many times you need to multiply the base by the base. Next, you're going to solve multiplication and division problems. Go from left to right, doing whichever one comes first. So in this example, the multiplication comes first, so you multiply 3 times 4, and then you do the division. Next, you do the addition and subtraction. Again, start from the left, go to the right. Here the subtraction comes first, so you subtract first, then add. Let's solve an example. A reminder to help you with your example, we use the phrase PEMDAS to remind us of the order to do the operations. I like to use the phrase, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, to help me remember the order of operations. Here's our example. 6 divided by 2, parentheses, 1 plus 2. The first thing we need to do is solve what's in the parentheses. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now let's do the division and multiplication. The division comes first, so I'm going to start with 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. Then I'm going to multiply that 3 by the 3 that's inside my parentheses, so I end up with 9. So the answer to this problem is 9. Now I want you to try. What step comes first in this math problem? Once you've solved it, put it into your graphic organizer and submit it at the form. The link is at the bottom of the graphic organizer. Good job!